Question 23. In the diagram, the letter S, that's this one just here, you can't see it because of your printing, is made from two arcs, KL and MN, which are each 5/8 of the circumference of a circle of radius 1. And the line segment, LM, which is a tangent to both circles at points K and N, common tangents to the two circles touch one of the circles. What is the length LM? Now, I can't explain this any better than the official solutions, so I'm just going to put this on the screen for you to be able to pause, read, digest, scribble, draw. Over to you.